Elevenlabs is a really incredible AI voice generator that you can use to convert any text into speech. However, it comes at a hefty price that most people wouldn't be able to afford. So it's really free for up to 10,000 characters per month, and then after that, it asks you to subscribe for the subscription. Now, if you don't want to incur any of these hefty fees, you can use a free tool that helps you convert any text into speech. And the tool that we will use to convert text to speech is called Clipchamp. Now, Clipchamp is a really incredible tool that helps you create auto captions, text to speech, resize videos, speaker coach, and auto compose videos. Clipchamp also has a vast library of stock media that you can use for your videos. It also offers unlimited video creation, and you can be able to download the videos with no watermark. You can do all this without needing to subscribe for the premium version. To convert text to speech, you'll first of all need to create an account. After you're done creating an account, it will redirect you to its dashboard, which will look like this. Now, to convert any text into speech, we are going to click on create new video. We are not going to necessarily begin creating a video, but we are going to click on record and create. And down below where it says create, you'll see text to speech. Click on it, and then on the right side you can see a new bar appears where now we can begin converting our text into speech. The first part is choosing the language. Here are all the languages that we can use for our voice. You can choose Spanish, English, Hindi, and all those other languages. Now below it, here's where you'll be able to choose the voice you want to use for the speech. Now over here you can pick any of the voices to preview. So let's hear the voices.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story.
You can choose a different voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story.
Now below it you'll see advanced settings. Now here is where you're going to choose pitch and the pace of the voice of our speech. Here you can choose a different vocal pitch. You can choose an extra low pitch, a low pitch, or a high pitch. So let's preview.
World War I, also known as the Great War, was.
You can choose a medium pitch. You can also choose the pace. Let us try and add the pace and then preview to here.
World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that engulfed the world from 1914 to.
Also, you can add the pace or reduce the pace just as you want to. Everything is right, you can save, and now we can be able to convert this text into speech. Remember, Clipchamp only offers a maximum duration of 10 minutes. So if you want to convert text to speech for a duration more than 10 minutes, you can repeat this process a couple of more times. When everything is done, click on save. Now you can see over here, Clipchamp just converted our text into speech. Let us play.
World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that engulfed the world from 1914 to 1918.
To download our speech, click on export. Now over here you can choose any of these qualities. Since we are downloading the audio, it doesn't matter with the video quality, so you can choose any one of these over here. So let us click on 720p, and Clipchamp will begin downloading our audio as video on our computer. Now to convert our video into audio, just type on Google, just type in MP4 to MP3 and then search and click the first link. Here we will upload our file. Let's click on convert to convert our video into audio. Now over here you can see that CloudConvert has converted our video into audio. Let us play it.
World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that engulfed the world from 1914 to 1918.
Now to download our audio, just click on download over here, and the audio will be saved on our computer. And that's your crash course in text-to-speech magic. Now go forth and unleash your inner voiceover mastermind. Remember, the possibilities are endless, just like your creativity. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content and creation tips, tricks, and maybe even a few AI-powered dance parties. Until next time, keep those voices singing.